Hello friends, this is Karthike, your Learning Hub friend. Today we are going to discuss the topic circular motion. If you have not seen our previous videos, please follow the link in the description. Let's understand what is circular motion. The movement of a body following a circular path is called a circular motion. Now the motion of a body moving with constant speed along with the circular path is called a uniform circular motion. Here the speed is constant but the velocity is changing. So it must be having some acceleration acting towards the center which is making it move around the center. Since this acceleration is perpendicular to the velocity of the particle at every instance, it is only changing the direction of the velocity and not the magnitude, and that's why the motion is uniform circular motion, and we call this acceleration centripetal acceleration or the radial acceleration, and the force acting towards the center is called centripetal force. In the case of a uniform circular motion, the acceleration is v square by r. So if the mass of the particle is m, we can say that the second law of the motion, force is equal to mass into acceleration. So this result into mass v square by r. This is not a special force. Actually, force like tension or friction may be a cause of origination of a centripetal force. When the vehicle turns on the road, it is the frictional force between the tire and the ground which provides the required centripetal force for turning. So let's summarize it. If a particle is moving in a uniform circular motion, its speed is constant, velocity is changing at every instance, there is no tangential acceleration, there is a radial, that is centripetal acceleration working in this case. You must have seen the stunts performed in the Well of Death. So how does actually it works? So what happens? The gravitational force which acts downward from the bike to the wall, the frictional force that the wall exerts against the tire of the bike, and the normal reaction force, which is a perpendicular push back to the wall surface when it receives a force which is nothing but a centripetal force. The adventure of a roller coaster is an example of the combination of gravity, inertia, and the centripetal acceleration which gives the body certain sensation as the coaster moves up and down around the track. Subscribe channel for more videos in physics. Thank you.